This video is a first video to demonstrate how to install and get started with the Schedule Me Calendly clone booking system template. So this will just be the very beginning of this, where on the template public page here, you would normally see this blue button that would not read purchased if you have not already installed it. So purchased is just Bubble's way of indicating that you have installed it. This is a free plugin, or template. Nobody needs to purchase the template. There is a plugin that powers it that is a subscription only plugin that will be part of the videos in this series. And so once you have clicked this button, it will actually download and install into your Bubble account the template. From there, you would then be able to start a new application from the template. And so in your application or in your Bubble account, you will see templates on the left-hand side. You will see purchased, otherwise meaning downloaded, and you will see your template there. Now there is a nice little button here that says start an app, so that would be the first step, because just downloading the template, it does not create an application in your account. You actually just get the template downloaded, and then from there you need to click on to start an app. So clicking on start an app, you get to name your app just as you would any other application that you're going to be building within your Bubble account. So let's go ahead and say booking system. All right, so with the way that the template and plugin function, you do need to be on a paid account. Bubble does have a free trial to use all of the paid features for 14 days. I would suggest, if you're new to Bubble and you're just kind of getting started, to activate that free trial when you're creating this application from the template, in order for you to be able to make sure that everything within the template as you created the new application from it is working properly within your new application. If you're on a free plan, features and functions of the template and plugin will not function. They do need to be on a paid plan. The first paid plan tier should suffice. So I'm going to say activate free trial.